Okay, here we are cleaning up more RootsMagic data. This is a huge RootsMagic file with lots of Sheldons. And I am looking on the right-hand side at the Vermont vital records, which are cards that town clerks turned in back in the 1900s, and I assume they're correct. Here is a marriage card, and it is card number 4683. They have alphabetized these. I don't want to do this one, but it's a marriage card. I'm going to click on the arrow to the right and go to the next card. Here we go. It is a birth of a female, and the birth of this female was a Beatrice. It's either an M or a W, but it's got a little E over the top of it. Beatrice Sheldon, and she was born, it looks like, in 1905 on May 6th. So let's go see if we can find Beatrice. Now click over here in RootsMagic, and we'll click on the left-hand area and type in Sheldon, comma, and Beatrice, B-E-A-T-R-I-C-E, Beatrice. Hey, I've got one. Uh-oh. We got lots of Beatrices. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a lot of Beatrices. Well, let's see. Oh, this one was born in, and here it is, born in 1905. Let's try this one down here and see if that's it. Here's a Beatrice Sheldon that has a William Aaron as the father. Oh, look, on the right-hand side, I have a W-M period, A period, I'm getting close, and Lydia Lasher is mom. I'm going to bet that this is the correct Beatrice Sheldon. So I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to say a web tag because I have found her birth card. I'm going to add, well, I'm going to add a birth card, and I'm going to then copy and paste this URL into Control-C and then Control-V into the web tag area of the RootsMagic file. Now the reason I did that is so that I can go back and show people that here's how I got this information for Beatrice. All right, let's see if I can add anything. Here's Beatrice, here's Aaron, here's Lydia. Oh, Lydia is not Lydia. She says her name is Linda up here. So if we were to take her and add an alternate name of Linda Lasher, which I've got because I did it a second ago, then that is Linda Lasher. Is there any information that I'm missing? Well, let's see. Beatrice is born in Alburgh, Grand Isle, Vermont. All of these cards are from Vermont. So this is a real quick and very easy finding of a birth card of Vermont Vital Records for a Beatrice Sheldon born in 1905. These get a lot harder. Look at some other videos and you'll see.